Namaskar, we are Team Paithani Varsa from PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Mumbai, students of class 12. Today we are here to explore the beautiful Paithani sarees, living culture, a living symbol of Maharashtra's tradition and pride. We will be interviewing the owner of this Paithani saree shop, Sajiri, to learn more about the heritage art and how it continues to shine in modern times.
Hello, good afternoon. So let's start our conversation. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us about your shop?
Yes, sure. My name is Deepa Lele Cheudkar and my brand name is Sajri Sarees, and we are located in Vileparle East, and we have established our brand in 2012 with single sari, and that is Paithani.
Oh, that's so nice. What makes Paithani sari special compared to other silk saris?
Okay, so see, other silk sarees normally they are plain. Like if you see Kanchivaram, plain with the border, but the motifs of Paithani sarees, you can see here, like they are so unique, and it takes a lot of time to make this kind of motifs on the sari. So that's the reason it's different than other silk sarees.
Yes, and from where do you usually get your Paithani saris?
Normally from Yevla and Aurangabad. These are the two places from where we procure our sarees, Paithani sarees.
Now my teammate Pranjal will continue the further conversation. Over to Pranjal.
How long does it take to weave traditional handloom Paithani saree?
See, in traditional handloom sarees, you get different types and varieties nowadays. So, some of the Paithanis have little work, like single motifs. But some of the Paithani, you can see the border will be like bigger border, so it takes longer time to weave the Paithani. Here you can see this is the cotton Paithani. Okay, so this cotton and basic Paithani, you can say it will take 4 days, and for bigger work it may take 15 days to 1 month.
A single Paithani takes this.
Yeah, yes, it is depend on the work on the Paithani.
Okay, so can you tell us about the types of silk and zari threads used?
You'll see about this silk. Normally silk the weavers procure from south. Okay, and if you talk about the zaris, earlier they used to get golden zaris. That's the reason that like they were real zari, gold zari, but nowadays they use silver zari, and they can get them from Surat or maybe from south. This both destination they get their silver zari.
What are the main challenges faced by Paithani saree weavers and sellers?
Basically, see, nowadays you might see the power loom Paithanis that is made on machines, and in some areas some people are just selling normal. If you see one peacock on the pallu, they say it is Paithani and they sell it. So imitation, as you said, it is like artificial Paithani, so they are facing the challenge for the same, nothing else.
Lastly, Rituja will continue the further conversation.
So, what do you think? Youngsters prefer traditional style or Western style?
They prefer both, but frankly, they are more in tradition nowadays. If you notice, nowadays young girls are wearing Nawari saris in their weddings. So now things are changing, and youngsters also liking the traditional views, basically.
So, what does Paithani sari mean to you personally?
If you will ask me personally, पैठणी आहे ना, ही संस्कृती आणि परंपरा जपणारा एक धागा आहे. जी आपल्या आजीकडून आईकडे आणि आईकडून आपल्याकडे आणि आपल्याकडून पुढच्या पिढीकडे जाते. सो हा एक पैठणी ही साडी जी आहे ही संस्कृती आणि परंपरा जपणारा एक धागा आहे. एवढंच मी म्हणेन.
So this was the end of the conversation with Mrs. Deepa Lele Churkar, founder of Sajiri. Thank you, ma'am.
थँक्यू.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your valuable knowledge and experiences with us.
मोस्ट वेलकम.